Hello and welcome to Coding Crew. Coding Crew trains kids to teach other kids how to code. What kind of impact can Coding Crew make? Our data shows that 40% of kids coming in knew little or nothing about coding, and 70% of them described themselves as coding experts after they finished. 100% of students who did the program were interested in doing more coding. How does it work for kids to be able to teach other kids? Coding Crew works because it has a 3-level structure. This consists of in-class materials, teacher's guides, and a facilitation manual. The in-class materials are a slide deck with all the curriculum content, including videos, and a workbook with instructions for the coding projects the kids do, called coding cards. On the next level, there is a teacher's guide that goes along with the slide deck. This shows a picture of each side and everything a teacher needs to do and say in order to teach it. Then, the 3rd level is a facilitator manual, which has the materials, equipment, setup instructions, and the timings of each section in the slide deck, as well as everything that needs to be done to support the peer teachers in each class. Overall, the learning goals of Coding Crew are basic coding in Scratch, confidence, empathy, and leadership, both for the peer teachers and their students, problem solving, which can be applied in many areas of life, and knowledge and motivation to continue learning independently. Broader goals of Coding Crew are to expand access to coding education by enabling educators who aren't trained in computer science, or may not even feel that they're computer people, to still be able to bring this topic to their students. How to participate. First of all, neither you nor the peer teachers need to know how to code prior to starting this course. As we know, teaching is the best way to learn, which is a big basis for the program. We are excited to say that we have received a grant from Medtronic Foundation that allows us to offer all the curriculum free of charge forever and to provide training and ongoing support to build capacity for your organization to repeat the program whenever you want and pass it along from educator to educator. To participate, you will need to assign one staffer to coordinate. This means being point person with us, selecting the staff who will run the program sessions and support the peer teachers, schedule the 10 to 12 hours of content, varies by age group, and develop the Community Arcade Day event. In our experience with prior partners, this coordination is about 6 hours commitment, including the training. Both the coordinator and any staff who will be facilitating will need to attend 1 hour of remote training. We will cover how to support the peer teachers, how to prep for and run each content hour, the pedagogy Coding Crew is based on. Lastly, we'll need to know the impact of the program, both so we can always improve and be responsive to our partners' needs and to report to our funder. We will need first and last day attendance headcount by gender. No identifying information is ever required. Depending on your organization's policies about data collection, we would love at least one or preferably all of these surveys to be filled out on the last day. One is a student survey for the kids who were taught by the peer teachers. It would be 3 multiple-choice questions about coding knowledge, coding interests, and self-efficacy. The peer teacher survey, which would expand on this with additional questions about personal growth via teaching, and an in-class facilitator survey. This would be a request for impressions and insights about any changes seen in student or peer teacher behavior or attitudes over the course of the program. That's about it. Thank you for watching. Any questions, please just let us know. And now, I would like to leave you with a brief bit of video from a Community Arcade Day.
It made me feel very proud of what I did.
My experience here has been amazing because I never believed that I could make an actual video game before.
This is awesome. I'm excited. I'm pleased to know that he created this, that he learned so much in coding class, and it seems like a fun game. Kind of hard, but fun.